Here are the top 5 features of the all-new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First up, Galaxy AI. It's not just smart, it's genius. Enhancing your text and audio communication, creativity with photo and video editing, and nifty summarizing features with cutting-edge AI. Next, the camera system. Capture your memories using the new quad Tele system featuring a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 200-megapixel wide, 50 megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom and 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. There's also a 12 megapixel selfie camera. The S24 Ultra features a massive 6.8-inch QHD plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with a super smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. And there's also a vision booster that takes the brightness up to 2400 nits. Under the hood, the top-of-the-line Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform, which is the fastest chip from Qualcomm right now and powers all the AI magic that the S24 Ultra comes with. Do away with passwords and bring in Passkeys with Samsung Knox. You can even disable online processing of your data for AI features if needed. So, which of these features did you like? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for the full review on Digit.